CCTV Lawan Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat baganet foodish Ordar mapi nginwan ramani hakir dob yeng jongpi
Ringkat lang bat kapurthai baro kawai ke Saint Francis di Assisi High Secondary School kepadaan hakasnong Maulai Kenton Masar Shillong haka jing rakhe ya kasngi ban penne pensa ya kamai Mariang ke balalong haka las niu belai jong ke Henry terek upanai jeleu arajar arpuar kala pen sngoto ya ki kena skul kumno ban long ki bai bat ki bakloi ban yada ya ki saudong saukun haka ni kasngi ki kena pule jong ke skul kile ya simbentalang baru MLA jong ke Maulai constituency uba prosesi saukame ubalalong kum kongsan harengkat ke jinga don lang jong uba Cornelius pasa ubalalong kum sembut kongsan bantung ye kitenrai ding haplau jong ke skul harengkat ke jing sakhilang jong principal ki brothers bat kinong Hikai uba saukame ulasam ye ke trophy sha ke greenhouse ke balong ke lado ha ke school sport pementau snem bat sya ke red house ke bawan baar bat ke blue house ke bawan balai hagajo kapor la penlong ru ye ke jinge kop fancy dress ne pen iriam bala sam ru ye ki wei ki khusnam sha ki nong job haga jinge kop draw tho essay ke fancy dress but ki wei de ki jinge kop.
Now I would like to introduce myself. My name is Lavina Nakhal from the greenhouse and I dress like a rose. Yes. Only when the last tree died and the last river has been poisoned, we will realize we cannot eat money. World Environment Day is not just a celebration, but it is also a promise to keep our environment safe and clean. Thank you.
My name is Nakala Kemenkurba from class 2. I am wearing like a flower. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anna Habitai. I dress like a flower. Thank you. My name is Watsrifa Karbani and I dress like a sunflower. Thank you.
Wow, sunflower. My name is Dr. Mawa. I am from class 5. I am from greenhouse. I dress as a tree. We know that trees clean up the air. We should stop cutting trees unduly. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to you all. My name is Khynnah from class 5. I am from greenhouse. This is a drop of water. In one drop of water are found all the secrets of all the oceans. Safe water, safe life. Thank you.
Good morning, judges, teachers, principals, and to all my dear friends. I dress like a sun. My name is Khynnah. I study in class 5. I will tell you something about the environment. When we conserve the environment today, the future generation will be able to lead a healthier life. We cannot be so selfish and use up all the resources for ourselves. Thank you.
Afternoon, brother, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, class 2, my name is Remy Dalton Still. I am a dress art. Thank you.
Morning, brothers, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Mariang. I study in class 2. I dressing like a sun. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Karun Putrunita Sukasa. I study in class 4, and I am here to dress as a tree. And also I am from the greenhouse. Don't cut trees, save trees. Thank you.
Good morning or good evening, brothers, teachers, and all my dear friends and dear judges. Trust us to show that we need to save the earth. Thank you.
It's Hikai and Mariang. I read in class 2. I am from Yellow House. I dress a tree. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Vivamus Ad. I am studying in class 2. I dress Mother Earth. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kanabella. I study in class 2, and I am dressed like Earth. The Earth. Thank you. Afternoon, everyone. My name is Khynnah, class 2. I dress flowers. Thank you. Afternoon, everyone. My name is Mariang. I study in class 6. I am from Yellow House. I am here dressing myself in green to tell each and everyone that we need a green and healthy earth, which can be achieved by planting more and more trees. Thank you. Good afternoon, brothers, teachers, judges, and everyone. My name is Mevan Shanang Toy. I study in class 3. I am from the Yellow House. I am dressed like a tree. Thank you. My name is Jaden Toy Marbanya. I dress as the earth. We should love all living things and save the earth. Thank you.
Good afternoon, brothers, teachers, and to all my dear friends. My name is Khynnah. I study in class 9. I dress as someone who loves the environment and is willing the surrounding to make the earth better place to live. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected brothers, teachers, judges, and also my dear friends. My name is Safi Bakman Thomri from the Blue House. I am a dustbin. Please throw the biodegradable waste in the green bin and the non-biodegradable waste in the blue bin. Please always make use of me because I make the environment clean, green, and free. Thank you. My name is Steven Regan Basayamot. I am from Blue House. I study in class 5, and this is my message: save trees and save environment to save all the living things. Thank you. My name is Azalia Naksier. I study in class 4. I'm from Blue House. I dress like a peacock.
the national bird of India. I have a message for you. We are the creatures of God. We need to live. We need a home. So please don't shoot us with a gun. Shoot us with a camera. Thank you.
And first prize goes to Nicholas T. Gossadong from the Red House. Please give him a big round of applause. Second goes to Iman Rinyao from the Red House. So he's from the Yellow House. Third goes to Hameshwar Lingo from the Green House.
Smile. That we already knew that the world that we live, we need a protection. We are the caretaker of the earth, not the destroyer. When I said that we are the caretaker, we have to protect each and every important of the nature. The students have spoken a lot about the nature and also the world at large, even the water that we drink. But we have to understand that while protection of the nature means protection of the animals which they live in this world. It is very important to plant more trees. I get information from many of the institutions, even the NGOs, even the church, even the individual. They have already organized a program to get more sampling from the forest department. But it is very unfortunate that the forest department cannot distribute more sampling to many people who need to plant more trees. The message of the government is to plant more trees, that is to get full protection of the environment. But I'm sure that in that line, forest department, I may say that are a little bit slow, or they cannot fully done 100% like we expect. And I'm sure that the forest department from next year, we expect a lack of sampling that the forest department should distribute to all who are willingly for the plantation of trees. Not only this year, I have only heard, even last year, that the forest department they cannot supply the sampling maximum to all the citizens of the state who need to plan for the tree.
Start from there. Class 2, 7 line. Okay, close door. Class 1.
Six out of 10. Yellow house. Very nice. Yes, very nice. Yellow house. How you can give that? You tell us. 9.5 mark.
9.5.
Is it 10 out of 10?
Yes.
Our teacher, please announce for yourself.
I would like to announce the first, the third place, the fourth, up to fourth.
Yes.
Up to the fourth place we have I'll go first to fourth. Greenhouse will be number 4. Then red house will be number 3. Yellow house will be second. And blue house will be the top.
So the winner of this water goes to the blue house. Please.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Aku berdua. Jangan pilih tambah.
Let him put the mark. Steady, please. Let's have a look at that.
That's what you will grow, no?
Yeah. Okay, we'll watch. And the others will look after by the teacher.